Hello friends, this is Bargain Investor back again with my next best stock. I think it is at a fantastic bargain price and it is ready to take off as soon as the market realizes its potential. So the stock which I am initiating my buy call is Beyond Meat, ticker symbol BYND. As Tesla has revolutionized the auto industry with innovative technology, Beyond Meat is changing the food industry. It has the same visionary leader as Tesla has. As the product adoption and the market realization increase, this stock will be unstoppable. In the next part of the video, let's go over the details why I am so bullish on the stock and their recent achievements allowing them to grow exponentially. Innovation is a core of this company and it's a key differentiator. They are investing more in their R&D than any other company of this industries. Like they invest 3 times or 4 times more than even Nestle invest in their R&D. They have 30,000 square feet Manhattan Beach Project Innovation Center is specifically dedicated to their R&D. So that's why their products and their strategies have made them the leading disruptor in the meat category. They are disrupting the largest category in food, which is a meat market. The global meat market is $1.4 trillion industry, and the size of the US meat market is $270 billion itself. And Beyond Meat is a leader in artificial meat category. They have gained 37% revenue growth year on year despite the pandemic impacting their business negatively. Their products are available in 122K food and service retail outlets worldwide. The compound annual growth rate for Beyond Meat was 132% from 2017, which means their revenue has grown 13 times in the last 4 years. That is huge. So before we move to the next and vital part of the video, I want you guys to press the like button and subscribe my channel. That will be great help and encouragement for me to make more such videos and keep you informed guys and get you more bargain stocks in the near future. Now let's go over their distribution channels and revenue on each of them. They track their distribution channel across three verticals. One, US retail, second, US food service, third, international. So their net revenue has grown from 50 million to 264 million in their US retail chain business. Their US food service revenue has grown from 21 million to 61 million despite impacted by COVID in 2020. Their international revenue has grown significantly from 17 million to 82 million in last 2 years. Also, in their international growth, they were impacted by COVID. Beyond Meat is expanding its business horizontally and vertically. Let me explain you what I mean by that. Horizontally means they are expanding to the new distribution channels. Since their IPO inception, they have grown from 17,000 retail outlets in the US to 28,000 outlets. 12,500 food service outlets, which includes restaurants and cafeterias, to 42,000 restaurants and cafeterias, and exceptionally expanded 1,500 stores and outlets to 52,000 stores and outlets worldwide, which is close to 22,000% gain. Guys, 22,000% gain. So this is the reason why I am so bullish in Beyond Meat now. They are present in every other country in the world. And by expanding vertically, I mean they keep adding new products into the stores, which can help multiply their revenue. For example, they just launched their meatballs to the new retail stores and they launched their pork product line in China. As Tesla has gained momentum after their manufacturing facility completion in China, Beyond Meat also just announced their completion of manufacturing facility in China. Now let's move on to the recent notable updates. Beyond Meat rapid and relentless innovation program is designed to make our existing product obsolete, generate new products and platforms, and serve a widening circle of customers. They are continuing expanding their food service partnership with the announcement of expanded customer relationships. They recently announced collaboration with Starbucks, where UAE and Kuwait and UK has added a permanent item. The most significant one is McDonald's, where Sweden and Denmark they launched a limited test. They added Pizza Hut as well, where in November they launched new product in their Pizza Hut in US and Belgium, and KFC. They launched KFC partnership in October 2020. They continue to focus on innovation, including rollouts of both new and enhanced product offerings. They have six plus new product launches and enhance their products over the past 2 years. So they redesign and rediscover their own existing product in 2019 and 20. I like to invest in a company which keeps innovating and reinventing themselves. They do not think their product is perfect, so that makes their product adaptation very easy. They are available in more than 80 countries worldwide, and they launched their long-term menu with 18 locations in Beijing, China. They also established first extrusion facility outside the US, which is in Netherlands. They also signed agreement with Zhejiang Economic and Technology Development Zone to develop manufacturing and capabilities in Zhejiang, China. They have also announced their partnership with PepsiCo some time ago, resulting in the stock price touching its all-time high of 220 US dollars. This partnership is massive as PepsiCo has its own marketing and distribution channel worldwide, which will result in fantastic growth opportunity for Beyond Meat. Now the stock price is fizzled down back to 130s, and it is the best bargain price to make an entry on the stock before it takes off again. With that, let's have a quick look in their financial, as this eventually determines we should invest in this company or not. So as per Q4 2020 performance update, their net revenue increased 3.5% to 101.9 million, primarily driven by increased retail channel sales, largely offset by a decline in food service channel sales due to the continued impact of COVID-19 on food service demand levels. So that's where I am so much bullish in the next quarter result. As soon as the demand comes back from the food service channel, their revenue will be in line with what they have predicted and projected. And their in international retail sales, which has already grown around 136% in 2020, will have a significant upside going onwards. As per their Q4 highlights, they maintained solid total revenue growth despite COVID-19 impact on food service channels. Retail revenue more than doubled versus 2019. Core brand metrics of household penetration, buyer rate, purchase frequency, and repeat rate all increased sequentially year over year. Multiple levers of growth remain, including food service channels, distribution growth, international penetration, and new product launches. Continued investment in infrastructure and capabilities to support future growth. Continued to support future revenue growth through incremental investments in marketing, innovation, and strategic customer partnerships. As more people will turn vegan, more people will considerate about the environment and global warming, more people being health conscious, the more people will adopt for the alternate meat category. That will result in exponential growth for Beyond Meat. And my long term price target for the stock is $1,000 over 5 years. If you like the content, please like and subscribe to my channel. That will be great help to expand my channel to the more viewers. And I wanted to let you know I'm not any financial advisor. Please do your due diligence before investing in any stock and taking any financial decision.